Hey, oh god, oh god, I'm starting over. Hey guys, ooh, that was bad. Hey, ugh. What's up? I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial for you guys today, cause, yeah, that's all I need to say. Just so you guys know, just a little disclaimer, my makeup is super pricey, high-end, only the professionals use the makeup that I'm gonna use, so a lot of you guys probably don't have these, and just don't feel bad, okay? Okay. So before I do my makeup, I always like to put on headbands just to pull my hair back. Oh my god, it's so long. And double protection. And then you have to wrap it up in this. Perfect. Okay, so first I like to start off with foundation. I don't know what this is called because I've had it for so long that the light came off. So so this is my Morphe brush. Well, it's not really a brush, it's kind of like helps me get the foundation out. So I would really suggest using something like this to just get the makeup out. Yeah, so okay. So I don't actually own any sort of beauty blender blending brush ball thing, so I actually just put a bunch of pre-wrap around some cotton balls, so hopefully that'll work. Remember to use the scoop. Okay. So you just take a little bit and alright, so I think it's all good. So next, we have to really bring out the face, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna use some blush. So here's the blush. It really matches my skin tone. Yes. So for blush, I like to use like a small brush because a lot of people use big brushes. I'm not really sure why, because like how are you supposed to like draw designs on your face with like a huge brush, you know what I'm saying? So this is what I'm gonna use. This is the Morphe 27985. Yeah, so like I said, you guys probably don't have it. So here, oh. Yep, okay. So I just take a little bit and I just kind of, you know, right. And I'm kind of a unique gal in that I don't really like it when it's symmetrical. So I just kind of like do one side, you know what I'm saying? You know. Make sure to blend. Blending is important. Cupid's bow. The temps. I usually put a little bit on my eyebrow, but not a lot because I'm gonna do something else with it. Alrighty. Time to highlight. I got this from a really good store. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna use actually just use the same brush that we did earlier for that. I'm gonna mix a few of these and just highlight. Where do I feel like highlighting? Just like right there. You know, this brush, it's just a little too big, so I'm gonna just perfect. Okay, this is exactly the look I was going for. Oh my god. Alright, so obviously you guys know what's next. Eyeshadow. Gotta really make those eyes pop. Yeah, okay. Alrighty, so this is the Naked 3 palette. I don't know if you guys can see. I actually just got this for Christmas, so I'm really excited to try it out. I don't know why I keep winking. Alrighty, so here is what it looks like. Oh, god dang it. For this one, I'm just gonna take a used Q-tip, because I don't have anything else. I'm just gonna rip the top part off. See, it's clean. Okay, so I'm gonna take, I'm just gonna kind of go for it, you know what I'm saying? I think it's kind of, as a makeup artist, it's just what you gotta do. Oh my god. It looks so good. The pigment is really good in this. So, yeah, and oh my god. Alright, turn around for the other side. For the other side, I'm just gonna do purple. This is kind of like a Ariel kind of look, you know, with the purple and the blue. Another Q-tip. I like this color. I'm gonna highlight the brow bone using the eyeshadow. Just bring it down a bit. And, ooh, I like this one. This is called the flicking method. You just kind of, okay. So obviously this eyeshadow look doesn't look the best. You want to know why? We didn't blend, of course. So I'm taking my beauty blender once again. What was that? That was a wink. Okay. So I'm taking my beauty blender once again and just blending it out. I'm gonna just blend a little bit of the highlighter too. Oh my god. Oh my god. It looks so good. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. So of course, in order to finish off the eye look, I'm gonna put on some mascara. These are all the mascaras that I'm gonna use. I know it's not a lot, but you know. So the key to mascara is to use at least 10, because that'll really just make the look more cohesive. So I'm just gonna start. So the first one, I found this on the ground. Ew, this looks disgusting, so ugh. So this one's waterproof, so you can cry in the shower, and it'll hold your mascara for you. It's really cool. Oh, this one, I don't really know how this works, so I'm just gonna, yep. Oh my god, this one's double-sided. That's what she said. This one goes on the bottom. I'm just gonna kind of go like that. That looks like eyelashes, right? Oh god, I'm so excited with the results. Oh my god. God, that happens all the time. Oh. Achoo! Oh my god, that classic when you sneeze when you put on mascara. Oh gosh. Gonna have to put on some makeup remover for that. Okay, back to normal. Alrighty, so I'm gonna keep going with the mascara. I've only used just a few. Oh. Okay, so alright, once again, blend the mascara. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, so of course, we're gonna be putting on some lipped product. That's not a thing. Next is our lip product. So when it comes to the lips, I like to do kind of a Neapolitan kind of style. So we're gonna be using 3 colors today. So here's the first one. It's okay if it gets a little off, because we'll just clean that up with concealer later. But the second shade is red. Sorry, that was weird. Okay, and our last one is just like a basic. This is a funny story. I used this when I did competitive hip hop, and so it has my name on it in like a printed label. Alright, so of course these lips don't look the best. We all can see that. So I'm just going to be cleaning it up with some concealer. When it comes to concealer, I actually just like to use another like lip gloss instead of actual concealer, because that is just, it's just not how I do things. So I'm just going to conceal by putting some of this around it to really brighten. Oh, I didn't put enough on that side. Okay. Alrighty, I know you guys are thinking, oh, there's just something missing. I just can't put my finger on it. I'll help you. Eyebrows, boo-boo. First, we brush. So here's the brush that I used. Sorry, I haven't waxed them in a while. Okay, so this is the eyebrow product that I'm going to use. So yeah, works perfectly. Okay, obviously I'm not going to be using the dark shades. That's not really my shade. We can all tell that. I really like to concentrate it towards the beginning. I feel so fabulous, you know? You know when you just do makeup and you just feel like so glam, you know? You're just like, hey, look at me. Okay, so that's the finished look. So this is a setting spray that I use. It's kind of a big bottle, I understand that, so. So now this look is going to stay throughout the whole day, and I'm really excited. Then we just release the hair. And yeah, that's about it. If you liked it, let me know. Okay, bye.